Emergency kits inside an Altoid tin. Who would think it? Now listen, what do you need in an Altoid tin? What can fit in an Altoid tin? There are little things that you can buy at the grocery store. They're, for screwdrivers and things like that that are tiny, and you can put it in your Altoid tin. You can put duct tape on the outside. You can put ponytail rubber bands on the outside because those don't break as easily as regular rubber bands. You can put a candle, birthday candle, and a little book of matches or box of matches. You can put paper, you can put chalk, you can put anything you can think about. Cellophane, a little measuring piece of paper like you would get at a big box store, just cut it up and put it in several Altoid tins. And okay, so things that can keep you dry, like that plastic bag or collect water, that might be important. And, just think about the things that you can use in an Altoid tin that fit. It's just amazing how many things that are different. You can put hooks. You can put anything that goes in an office. You can put anything that you might think would, okay, you can make a sewing kit. There's so many things that you can do with an Altoid tin for an emergency. And if you think about it, you can put it on the outside and the inside. Like the duct tape can go on the outside. The rubber bands can go out on the outside. And then you've got space for things that you really need on the inside, like money, or magnets, or a compass. I mean, just so many little things. I hope that you enjoy this. I hope that you think about what you can do and collect and save your Altoid tins. Make them. You can give them for stocking stuffers. You can put survival kit on the inside on a piece of paper so people can figure it out, because not everybody can figure it out. I mean, if you have one little piece of chalk or a little piece of charcoal, you can sketch if you have a little paper. And you can do things that will help boredom. You can do things that will be a stocking stuffer in a Christmas stocking. I mean, which means that you can put, fake jewelry and things like that for kids, or just for fun to make someone smile. And of course, you can always make it into a proposal of marriage. You can put a real diamond in it or something, or a ring. You can have fun with this Altoid tin. And of course, magnets will stick to it because it's tin. Thank you.